Alrighty, so we came and got the trailer. They unloaded the fuel tank from the last video. We got a junk truck to pick up today from the guy that I took the tank, that yellow tank off his truck. He's got a junk like 350 plow truck, completely rusty. And then we got a tow to go do. Somebody got in a little minor fender bender. So we're gonna head that way. Might pick up the Badger, I don't know, see if he wants to ride. But we'll see what we get into.
Hey,
What are you doing?
huh?
What are you doing?
Nothing, you bum. What are you doing? Sitting here warming my truck up, man.
Oh yeah?
Trying to see what the hell, huh?
I said, oh yeah?
Yeah, what the fuck you doing?
I just
Why did I call you last night at 6 o'clock? You ain't even fucking turn your goddamn phone off, man. I say this nigga here.
Honestly, my phone died and I didn't realize it. We went out to dinner and I didn't get home till about 8:30. But I just picked the trailer up from the farm and I'm gonna go to Cotton's and pick that junk truck up if you want to go, and then I got a car to tow. I mean, if you want to ride.
Yeah, where you at?
Leaving the farm. Headed that way.
Oh, 231?
Yeah.
Where you want me to meet you at?
You don't have to meet me. I'm coming up that way. I'll just pick you up. Meet me at Skinner's. That way I can just pick you up right on the road. Or park at Jesse's.
Well, call me when you hit 2 and I'll just go down Skinner's.
Okay.
Alright, chump.
Alright, suckhead.
Hey, you say you pulling the trailer with the big one?
Yeah.
What you going to get, buddy?
The junk truck from Cotton's. I just said that.
Oh, that's right. You said the truck from Cotton.
Yeah.
And where are you going to take that damn van?
Maybe. Or my house. I don't know.
Oh, you going to take it? I mean, what kind of truck is it? It ain't good?
It's supposed to run. There was a huge misunderstanding about whose truck it is, so we'll see. I don't know if it's me or Bears yet. Yeah.
Okay. Hold on for 1 minute.
I just got fucked up. You straight? Only thing I can tell you, go straight when you go. You the daredevil, goddamn. She ain't gonna steer that good.
Oh, you know what? Let me turn this around.
Is it straight now? You might tear that white Astro ass up down there. If your brakes ain't no good in.
That's for the car. Don't fuck with it.
Alright, greasy, rider, greasy. Oh, that's road, that's road. That's good. Ah, look at greasy ride.
Alrighty, there it is. Old plow pig. The wheel was stuck. We pushed it on with a backhoe. Sorry to miss the excitement, I know. But the back wheel unfroze while we were pushing it, luckily. And we used gravity on our side and let it rip. Tater chip. Badger, your thought. Don't be in there taking the pennies. I hear you. Look. Right there in his pocket. I saw it. Two bags of second handfuls from me.
Oh no, fuckers. God damn it, green.
Oh look, jeez, oh flip, what's there, a couple dollars in there?
It's fucking just.
Anyway, we that's gonna be uncomfortable to sit on all day. Anyway, we got a title with this one, probably scrap it, maybe, I don't know. It's supposed to run, but it's got 4 good tires on it though. Nittos, or however you pronounce it, maybe. Yeah, Nitto grapplers. They look fairly fancy. Badger, your thoughts?
I'm still grabbing change. Hold up, Badger getting his motherfucking payday today.
This bad boy is rusty, dusty. Got copper brake lines though. Imagine they've been replaced 1,000 times and then they said, oh, copper won't rust.
Hey, we want that cat out there, man.
We'll see.
The cat is out.
She's good though. The rears are good. They're Dana's. Dana 70 maybe, for those of you who know. Ford F350, single wheel, 1 ton. Anyway, we're on the way to get the other
vehicle.
Yeah, that was in an accident. That's just the tow though. All right, so we're here picking up this car, giving it away by showing the lights on, but the guy got in a little accident, ran over a telephone box or something. But I just got to show my intelligence here. The fire department came and cut the battery cables, so I stripped them on back Got jumper cables to the positive. Obviously, they won't reach back to where it came from. So put the other end of the cables on the battery, the ground right here on the cut wire, and the ground to here. And then, oh, if I had the keys, I'd be a little better off. What'd I do? Oh, they're in my pocket. Here comes the guy, the tow yard guy out, but yeah, buddy. Badger, what'd you have to say about the guy?
Fuck you. Go the fuck on back in there, man. All right, you guys, take it easy.
Yeah, you guys got it from here? Yeah, we had it the whole time, buddy.
Right. What the fuck you out here for? Oh, this is our first time. We lemon heads.
Yeah, we don't know nothing. Anyway, that was funny. Anyway, like I said, a little bit of damage. I don't even see the, wow, how'd you like that voice crack? I don't even see the radiator leaking or nothing, but yeah, I thought that was really smart of me. Didn't have to come along it or nothing. But like I said, fire department cut the cables, I guess, for safety, but anytime, there's always another way to skin the cat. Just keep it in mind. Well, we just showed off how smart we are about getting the cutting cables hooked back up, but weren't smart enough to remember to get the keys out of the ignition, and now the doors are locked. So, Badger, your thoughts?
I'm getting ready to get us going right now.
We got plenty of hangers here. Just so happens that the sunroof is open a little bit. We're gonna see if Badger can reach in there and get it. Why don't you just use the hook that was on the end?
Because it ain't long enough.
Okay.
I gotta rig this mother.
Okay. Well, you're not gonna be able to see much, so I guess we'll just try and get it when we get the keys out. A buddy of mine has an airbag, actually, the special lock thing, but he didn't get home till like 4 o'clock, so we're not waiting that long.
Airbag, oh,
to push the the door seam open.
See if I can get this to stay like this. If
Badger, no way.
is it long enough?
I can't see. Well, Badger was being sneaky and got him out right out of the ignition. Look at the hook. Here, lay it on the car so we can see. We got
now Jimmy man.
Got a what's it called?
A paint handle, paint roller.
No,
handle.
no, no. But what do we call this? How do we do this?
This is a Jimmy Jam.
No, no,
What?
Jimmy Jam. What's your version of it?
Nigger rigger.
Thank you.
This is a nigger rigger that I used to do back in the days.
But anyway, yeah, we got a paint roller handle connected to a
and a coat hanger.
Yeah, and Badger got him right out of the sunroof.
That was in there.
We'll never. Well, I'll tell you what. We'll unlock
Open
it.
that door.
Yeah, we'll unlock it and we'll
Hit this
show
one.
you the inside. Hold on. You can show them from the inside. All right, go ahead.
My door need to be open.
No, just do it again from the top. I'll show them the inside view.
Let's see if I can do it. Oh,
Yeah. Like a carnival game.
Watch this shit.
Unbelievable. Really wish I would have caught that. Probably take him 2 hours now. He did it in 5 minutes. No way. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. My hand is right here, nowhere near. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Unbelievable, Badger. You're the man. You are the man with the plan. I got him. That is great. Badger is the man by far. So we offer professional lockout services as well, as long as your sunroof is open.
Absolutely. Oh, a window is cracked.
Yeah, that was great.
Oh shit, I can't get this out.
That's okay, I'll undo it in here.
Do it in there.
Yeah.
Unhook that.
Alrighty, so we're gonna make a little scrap run. Badger rounded up 8 or 10 batteries, however many are there. We got buckets of brass, copper, stainless, couple electric motors, sealed unit, a little bit of aluminum, stainless, and an aluminum AC coil. And Badger's working on a motor right there. What do you think, Badger?
I think we got $100 at least. I mean, it's better than nothing.
Yeah, I mean, we got $2 or $2.50 here maybe.
Right? Oh shit, damn good as it is.
It's got to be $2. Alrighty, here's the weigh and pay. Hopefully you can pause it and read it. Blah, blah, blah. The best part was all the batteries Badger got a hold of for 137 bucks, 481 pounds, grand total of 289. Badger, your thoughts?
Oh my goodness, man. I really came. There you go. You throw that ball over here. Man, that was good, man. I'm glad you said, come on, let's go. Really, Greasy.
Yeah, I'm
'Cause
glad you found the batteries.
Oh, man, I didn't know they was going to bring like that. If
Yeah.
I'd have known that, shit, you lucky. You lucked out today. Because if I'd have known that, I would have took them bitches myself.
Oh,
Hell yeah. Oh, no.
I don't doubt it.
See, see that? See?
Yeah, you wouldn't get the dealer price without me either.
Absolutely. Hey, that's why you ain't got to never worry about that, though. I ain't going over there without
Yeah.
you. You know, but man, I'm glad you said, come on, let's go with them, though. I ain't know they was gonna bring like that. I really didn't.
Badger surprised me with him. He certainly did.
Yeah, I did. I had them covered up, y'all, looking like a daggone tablecloth over top of them. Yeah, with 3 little ones holding them down. When he said, what's under there? Okay, voila, and there it was. He's, oh, right to the there, hit him in the mind. Let's go. Let's head to Potomac. I said, oh, hell yeah. I'm glad we went, y'all.
Yeah.
A day of doing nothing ended up making $145.
Yeah, how about that?
Now, that was good.
Very good.
We did the other 2 things we had to do earlier for nothing, and see how God works? God works in mysterious ways. And look what happened. We ended up getting $145 a piece for free.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty good, Badger.
I appreciate it, Greasy.
Yeah, thank you for getting those keys out, Master Locksmith. That was great, too.
Oh, yeah. Y'all got to really check that out. When y'all see that, y'all going to be like, this nigga here.
All right, very good. We'll see you on the next one.
So long, niggas.